Hello, I am Martín Riedel and I'm working with Ciclo studying the Mesamávida fault for my undergraduate thesis. The Mesamávida fault is a newly discovered crustal fault related to the Western Andean Thrust and the San Ramon fault. Two paleoseismic studies have been carried out, one by Tomás Sepúlveda in 2019 and another by Ambrosio Vega in 2021. They show that it has been active in the Holocene and that it has the capacity to generate magnitude 6.1 to 7.3 earthquakes with a 1,000-year return period. However, it is not known whether the fault is currently active. This is the question that motivated the current study. You can see in this image taken from one of the studies I mentioned, Sepúlveda 2019, the fault scarp in a satellite image. The objective of my work is to study the micro-seismicity of the fault, which was done by deploying a network of 12 short-period seismometers covering an area of approximately 25 by 35 kilometers. You can see the deployment of one of the stations here in this image. The data obtained was processed using Seismic. Here you can see a screenshot of the software and of the picking process. To improve the earthquake locations, a local velocity model will be calculated using the Velest software. So far, 2,464 earthquakes have been located, shown here in this map as little red dots, and here these blue spots are the seismometers. Most of the located earthquakes are outside of the network, as you can see in the map. Only 35 of them are inside of the network and also have a low RMS and therefore fit the selection criteria needed for calculating a velocity model with Velest. Of those, 7 have depths between 5.1 and 26.5 kilometers and follow the fault scarp, considering that it dips to the east. With the obtained data, it seems clear that the fault is active. A V-value analysis to be done in the future could corroborate the return period of larger earthquakes calculated by Sepúlveda in 2019. Also, one earthquake located to the south could indicate a longer extent of the fault. Finally, please keep in mind that all the results shown are preliminary. A local velocity model has yet to be obtained, and therefore the results could change. Even so, it does seem safe to assume at this point that the Mesamávida fault is active. Thank you for your attention.